Hello, my name is Michelle Rogers. Welcome back to my channel today. In today's video I want to talk about hand reflexology and how it can help you with stress. So I'm a reflexologist. I've been working as a reflexologist for a few years now, and I treat many different people with many different ailments and conditions, but I always find that one thing that affects a lot of people is sleep. If you don't get enough sleep, it's going to affect so many different things. Not getting enough sleep is linked to memory loss, heightened stress, it can affect your weight, it's linked to anxiety and depression, it affects the immune system, so it weakens the immune system and makes you more susceptible to becoming ill. And it's just really stressful if you can't get to sleep. You know, when you're lying in bed and you can't get to sleep, or you're waking up during the night, you're trying to get back to sleep, you're looking at the clock, you're thinking, oh no, I've got to get up in a few hours, and it can be really, really stressful. And by the time you wake up in the morning, you feel really tired, you feel irritated, you don't function as you should be, and it's just really not good for your body. Getting a good night's sleep is just as important as the food you eat and exercise and looking after yourself. So many of my friends and family and so many people that I know suffer with their sleep. So a really effective way to help with your sleep is hand reflexology. So in today's video I want to show you some points on your hands that can help you with your sleep. So let's get started on the points. So you take your hands, and what you want to do is get yourself a little bit of oil. I personally like to use just plain coconut oil. But you can use any sort of hand moisturizer, any sort of oil that will help to make your hands nice and slidey. So I begin by just applying the product all over my hands. I do find that coconut oil is quite good, as it is really slidey and also really moisturising as well, so that's always a bonus. So products all over the hands now, as you can see. So I just start by gently just massaging my hands just to help relax me. And don't worry if you want to start doing the reflexology and you don't have any oil or moisturiser to hand. You can do it without, but it just feels a little bit better with it on. So the first point we're going to do is the solar plexus. So this is located in the middle of the hand, just here, on both sides. So you always work both sides of your hands. So what you want to do, start with either hand, whatever feels best, and just work in an anti-clockwise direction. Not too hard, not too light, just a medium pressure. It just feels nice and comfortable. And while I do this, I like to take a few deep breaths in. So take a nice deep breath in and out. And I like to try and keep this up through the whole session. And when you're working the solar plexus area, just imagine your body relaxing. And what's great about working the solar plexus area is it just helps to calm down the whole nervous system. So this is really beneficial for when you're trying to sleep, just helps to calm the body down and just helps to relax you. So if you do this on both sides, there's no real specific time that you need to do it for, just as long as you start to feel relaxed and calm. Now the next point is the head area, and this is located on the thumb. So the thumb pad here, all on here. So in reflexology we do a thing called thumb walking. So use your other thumb and slowly, with small little movements, walk up the thumb like this. Cover the whole area. And by working the head area, just helps to clear your mind, relax your brain, helps reduce overthinking. And while you're working this area and massaging it, just imagine your brain clearing, your mind just relaxing. And again, do this on both sides. So just work it like this. And again, do this for as long as you feel, but just a minute or so will do the trick. And the next point is the pineal gland and the pituitary gland. So these glands help to balance your hormones and regulate sleep, which is perfect for when you're trying to get to sleep. And this is located again on the thumb area, but right in the middle. If you work it quite hard, you should feel a tiny little lump in your finger, on your thumb, on both sides. So what you want to do is just press in deeply and just really work that point. So press in quite deep and just do little movements just to really stimulate that gland and help encourage sleep. And again, on both sides, work that. You should feel that little lump on this side too. So just nicely work that. So now you should start feeling a little bit more calm and relaxed. And the last point we're going to do is the spine area. So the spine on your hand reflexes is located in the middle of the thumb here, and works its way down to the bottom of your hand where you feel like a raised bony bit. So as I mentioned before with the thumb walking, you just want to walk here and you will feel the bone, and you just almost push against the bone with small little thumb walking movements, and then down this one, all the way down to that bony bit. And you may find this is actually a little bit sore. Lots of us hold tension in our backs. Many of us suffer with back pain and things. So this just helps to relieve that tension and helps to calm the nervous system. So I like to work that, pushing quite deeply against the bone here. And then just lightly massage up and down. And just imagine your nervous system calming down. And again, on this side. So, and then down. And this is quite tender on me actually. I know I do have a lot of tension in my back. So just work that and massage it. And you work it all the way down to this sort of area where you can feel that raised bone. And then those are the reflexes that can help with your sleep. So at the end, I just again do a really nice massage. There's no specific way to do this, just rubbing all your hands helps to hit lots of other different reflexes as well. And that's it done. So what I really love about hand reflexology is that it's just so easy to do. You can do it on yourself. It's so incredibly relaxing. And it's just something you can do to help yourself. I also wanted to include some other tips to help you with your sleep that you can do alongside the reflexology, which can really just help to encourage you to relax and sleep better. So number one is taking an Epsom salt bath, and adding some essential oils like lavender is really nice and calming and helps just to relax your entire body before going to sleep. And who doesn't love a bath? Baths are amazing, they make you feel good. It just gives you that time out to just not do anything, and you can just maybe read a book, and it's just really good. Number two is meditation. So If you meditate already, that's great. If you're new to meditation, it doesn't have to be difficult. One tip of a really easy meditation is having a candle and staring at the candle while it's lit, and then closing your eyes, imagining the candle, and every time your mind starts to wander away from seeing the candle, you open your eyes again, look at the candle, and then repeat the process. So it's such an easy way to meditate. It helps to clear your mind, and again, just helps to clear your thought processes before you go to sleep. And that's a big thing. When your mind is racing with thoughts and ideas, you may struggle to sleep. Another way to help clear your mind is brain dumping, and I love this idea. I do it quite regularly, and it's if I'm trying to fall asleep and I'm thinking about all the things I might need to do tomorrow and when I wake up in the morning or later on in the week, and I'm stressing about it, I write them all down on a bit of paper and put it to one side. That way I've got rid of them from my mind. I'm not going to worry about forgetting them because I've written them down on some paper. It just really helps to clear my mind of all that busyness going on in my brain. More obvious ones are try not eating after 8 p.m. so your body has time to digest before you go to sleep, and avoid drinking caffeine from the afternoon into the evening. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you find it really effective. Please let me know if you try the hand reflexology and what you think. I will be doing many more different videos like this to help with lots of different things. So keep an eye out for those, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks very much. Bye.